Hello everyone, welcomes my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best ads campaign landing page sites where you can create a landing page for your ads and generate thousands of dollars at a cheap price. For whole information, watch the video till the end. But very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Now I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Instapage? Instapage is a start-to-finish answer for sending customized post-click encounters at scale. Increment advertising ROI. Timetable a demo. Increment conversions. Will market faster. Lower CPC costs. If you want to start with Instapage, link in the description box. What is Instapage utilized for? As referenced above, Instapage is a help that allows you to construct presentation pages for your web-based advertising and advancement crusades effortlessly. It offers highlights, for example, A/B testing, different mission the board, simple page building, and much more. What is a landing page and how can it work? A landing page is a page on your site that is intended to change over guests into leads. It is not the same as different pages on your site in that it follows both of these measures. It has a structure that permits you to catch a guest's data in return for an ideal offer. What is the best presentation page manufacturer? Is Instapage justified, despite all the trouble? I would strongly suggest Instapage. It is by a wide margin one of the most valuable apparatuses I have utilized. Instapage offers a great deal of customization and different highlights to handily set up landing pages and dissect information from them. Instapage feature: 6 items, 1 progressed stage. Not at all like other single item arrangements available, Instapage incorporates 6 items and several highlights assembled explicitly to help you increment your publicizing change rates. 1. Landing pages. Make significant, on-brand, portable responsive post-click points of arrival and encounters without an engineer. 2. Personalization. Increment guest commitment and changes with the extraordinary point of arrival encounter for each advertisement and target crowd. 3. Experimentation. Advance your post-click greeting pages for higher changes with nitty-gritty heat maps, A/B and multivariate testing, and powerful investigation. 4. Ad map. Picture your promotion crusades and easily interface advertisements to applicable post-click greeting pages across the board place. 5. Collaboration. Dispatch crusades quicker with instinctive work processes that let groups work better together. 6. Page speed. Catch guest consideration immediately with extremely quick greeting pages that heap almost. I hope you all enjoying the video and start from today. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Show your love by leaving a comment. Don't forget to share and smash the bell icon. Good luck.